And why were you so easy to curse?
Oh, no, they did not. Whoa! We gonna take a second. You gonna give me a second, okay?
When there's no cops around, anything's legal.
Difficult, very difficult. Plenty of courage, I see. Not a bad mind either. There's talent, oh yes, and a thirst to prove yourself. But where to put you?
All right, listen up, y'all. I'm y'all substitute teacher, Mr. Garvey. I taught school for 20 years in the inner city, so don't even think about messing with me. Y'all feel me? You done messed up, A.A. Ron. Now take your ass on down to Oshag Hennessy's office right now and tell him exactly what you did.
Oh my God! I'm so sad! I close my eyes. I can't do it! I'm so